Okay, so there is a person carrying a load. Okay, carrying a load, and he is moving horizontal. Okay? He or she is moving horizontal. So load is moving in this direction. Okay, this is clear. The person is moving this direction. So the question is, how much is the work done by gravity? How much is the work done by gravity on this load? So what is the force acting here? What I am asking in the question, only you can see how much is the work done by gravity. Gravity means force. Here we are asking how much is the work done by the force of gravity. This is the question. The question is how much is the work done by the force of gravity. Okay. So gravity direction will be force of gravity. This is the force of gravity. Force of gravity. Okay. So it will be equivalent to the mg. Okay. How much is the work done by this force of gravity? If I ask you.
0.
0. Why is it 0? So in physics, what is there? F S cos theta. Yes or no? Force, work done by that force, whichever force we are putting here. Then displacement of the body into theta, that is angle between the two, that is force and displacement. This is the equation. This is the work done. Yes or no? F cross S, F dot S, the dot product we have taken. Okay, so here force is in mid direction. This direction, this is the direction of the force. What is the direction of the motion or the displacement? This is the direction of the displacement. This is the force direction. How they are? Normal to each other, perpendicular to each other. So what is the work done by the force of gravity? 0.
0.
By the gravity, it's 0. Okay. 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 One more thing I ask you. Okay. If a body is there, okay, a body is there, it is falling. Okay. So for example, this is the body. If I lift, so what happens? It will go downward. So which force is acting on it at present? Gravitational
Force
force,
of gravity.
Gravitational force.
force of gravity, gravity or force, gravitational force. Okay. So if the question is how much is the work done by the force of gravity, what you will say? Its mass is m. So force of gravity into displacement, whatever displacement it is, yes or no? For example, it is h. It will be force of gravity, force due to gravity, as well. What is the direction? Downward direction. Both are in the same direction. Into h. Okay, so what was the formula? Always remember this formula. Fs cos theta. Okay, force, displacement, this direction. What is cos theta? Both are in the same direction. What is the angle they are
180.
making? 180 degree or 0.
180.
Force, this direction. Gravity, this direction.
Force.
How much angle they are making? This is force, this is gravity. How much is the angle? 180 or 0? 180 is this angle.
That's
If
0.
force is in this direction, displacement in this direction. It is 0. So cos 0. Cos 0 is how much?
1. 1.
So it is Fg is how much? Mg, force due to gravity, into h. Mgh, mgh is the work done by gravitational force. Understood now? Okay, one more example.
Yes.
If I take, this is the mass, okay, and it has been thrown up. It has been thrown up. Now the question is, how much is the work done by gravity?
Sir,
It
repeat
is
once more.
body is there, it is being thrown up. So in which direction it is moving? Up. Okay.
Upward.
Now the question is, how much is the work done by the force of gravity? So which force you will be considering? Okay,
Gravitational.
minus mgh. So how? See, a displacement is in which direction? S direction. And for example, it has reached h height. Okay, h height it has reached, and here it will be at rest. Okay. Now, what is the force acting? This is the force acting mg. Mg.
Yes,
This is the
sir.
gravitational force. Okay. Now, this is the force direction, and this is the displacement direction. Okay. So how much is the angle they are making?
180 degree.
180.
180.
It means force into displacement. These are the magnitudes into angle between them. Cos 180. Cos 180 degree is minus cos, that is -1. So mg h and cos 180 is minus mgh. Okay. So always in question, see which force they are asking. By which force work has been done. Okay. They are asking by which force the work has been done. You have to consider. Okay. Okay, if I say to throw the body to the height edge, how much is the work done by the body? Okay, by the body. This
mgh
body has to do work against the, so this body has to apply
Minus
force
mg.
equal to mg. Minimum required force that body has to apply is mg in this direction. Yes or no? Mind, don't take minus
Yes,
mg.
sir.
See here, this body has to apply how much force? Equal to mg. In which direction? This direction. Mg force the body has to apply minimum force. Okay. So mg the body applied in this direction. Okay. And displacement is how much? H. So what is the work done? Mg
mgh
h force 0 cos is 1. This is the force. This is the displacement, and angle between them is 0. It's
0.
so cos 0 is 1. Mg cos theta. Mg cos 0 equal to mg h. Mg h it will be okay. So see you 1 minute. Okay. Up in page number 23 once. Up in page number 23 once. Okay. Okay. Read the last paragraph. Okay. Similarly, the body you can okay. Similarly, the body of mass m goes through a vertical height h, either directly or on a slope. Okay, that we will discuss once. Okay, work done minus mgs done by the force of gravity on the body. Minus mgh is the work done by the force of gravity. Understood now? It means force of gravity direction we have to take, and the body direction which it is moving, that is the displacement direction. So this minus mgh is the work done by the force of gravity on the body. Okay. And C in bracket, or the work W equal to mgh is done by the body. That is the amount of work done by this body. Okay. Because this body has to apply force in which direction? This direction to move up. And against which? Against force of gravity. Understood now? So work done, you have to consider first which force is into consideration. We have to see which force is into consideration. Okay. For by which force you have to calculate the work done. Okay. Always remember that. Okay. Question we have to first figure out which force is it asking that we have to take into consideration. That which force is doing the work. Okay. So here the constant force applied is mg, gravitational force. If you have to calculate work done by the gravitational force, if the motion is in this direction, then it will be minus mgh, work done by the force of gravity. Okay. If body is dropping, it means displacement direction this one as well, force of gravity this one. So work done by the force of gravity on the body is mgh. This force is constant force acting. Constant force acting on the body. Okay. Always remember. Okay. For example, this is the body. Okay. See a few more things we are going to. Last year we have studied laws of motion, so we're discussing those as well. So, for example, this body is there. It is moving initially. Okay. It is moving initially. No force is applied to it, and forget about any frictional force. Every kind of frictional force is zero. It is continuously moving. Is there any work done? By any external force, any work done? No,
No, sir.
No, sir.
because no external force is
Yes.
acting. So by any external force, there is no work done. Okay, it will move. What kind of motion it will be?
Uniform.
Uniform motion. Or it will be uniform motion. We have studied this one. If there's laws of motion, first law of motion. The body is at rest, it will remain at rest. The body is in motion, it will remain in motion unless any force is applied. This is the Newton's first law. Okay. Now say it
Yes,
is moving. I applied force. Okay. I stop the force now. So what will happen? See here. Uniform motion applied the force. Accelerating or decelerating depending on the force, whether I'm pulling or pushing. Okay. So very simple. We take moving uniformly. Now applied the force. So from this moment, I'm doing the work. Yes or no? You can see the work done as well. Speed is increasing. And now stop applying the force. Now here as well, speed becomes constant again. Okay. For example, 5 meter per second, it is moving. Applied force, it started to move with 10 meter per second. Okay. After constant force I applied. Okay. So 10, 12, 13, like this, it increasing. Okay. As I left the force application, its velocity is, for example, 20 meter per second now. So it will continue to move with 20 meter per second. No work done by the external force now. So for the duration for which we have applied the force, work is done only in that duration only. Understood this one? Change has taken place only in that duration. That duration only work has been done. So that displacement, whatever has been taken in that, what we should in that time, that is the work done. Understood now? So for the duration, for the displacement, how much it has taken while the force has been applied. Okay. This is clear. Till the force is applied, work is done. As force is removed, no work is done. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
always
sir.
the same question, a constant
Yes,
force
sir.
is applied. It means it is constant for certain, okay, and it moves this distance, okay. Okay, now let's go with the 21st question. How much energy is gained by a box of 20 kg when a man, okay? Read the question first once. Try to understand the question. How much energy is gained by a box of mass 20 kg when a man, so see here, the box, how much energy is gained by the box. That means if you are doing work on the box, that work will be converted into energy stored in the box. Okay. So carrying the man waits for bus for 5 minutes. The man is carrying that box, okay, and he is waiting for the bus. Okay. He is waiting for the bus. So how much work will be done? He is waiting there.
Zero.
So box is at rest.
0.
How much is work done? It's 0. It's 0.
Zero.
Because box is at rest. It is at rest. No displacement is, because displacement is 0, we can say. Because there is 0 displacement. So work done is 0. Okay. Run carrying the box with a speed of 3 meter per second to catch a bus. Okay. Now, okay, man we require. This man is running with a speed of 3 meter per second to catch a bus. Okay. So how much is, okay, runs carrying the box with a speed of 3 meter per second to catch a bus. So how much is the work done? Mass is given 20 kg. So how much is the work done? How much is the work done? How you can calculate? Here the
Half
velocity
mv
is
square.
half mv square. Half mv, initially it was at rest, now it starts running. So half mv square is the work done. Calculate and tell. Everyone calculate that one. Half into
90
20
joule.
into 9. Okay, 93 square. So 10, it will be 90 joule. So how much work this man has done? How much work is being done?
90 joule.
90 joule.
90.
Where this is going to be stored?
Yes,
This
sir.
is the amount of energy gained by the box, yes or no? This 90 joule is the amount
Yes,
of
sir.
energy gained by the box. You can see it moved. It is having speed. So amount of energy gained by the box will be 90 joule. Okay. Raises the box by 0.5 meter. Now this box is being raised by 0.5 meter. So here is the box. It has been raised by 0.5 meter. Okay. Raised in this direction. Okay.
mgh.
To place it inside the box. It is being placed inside the box. So how much energy it will gain?
mgh formula.
mgh. So this will be mgh. So whatever work the man has done on the box, that will be the against the force of gravity. So it will be mgh. This time you can say, if you can discuss, if you take potential energy, this is the potential energy gained by the box. Okay, so this amount of energy will be stored as potential energy in the box. Understood? And here it will be stored as kinetic energy in the box.
Kinetic energy.
And here this energy will be stored as potential energy in the box.
Potential.
Okay. This is clear? So you all have corrected 18th question. Okay, few students have joined now. So 18th question, a truck weighing 1000 kgf. So here, yesterday we made one mistake, half mv square. Okay, while putting mass, by mistake I put force. You remember 10,000. It is given.
Sir, I told you yesterday.
Yes. Yesterday at night, it was in my mind. So at the time I realized we have put kgf. So that's what this was in my mind, F into S. So we put this. So it will be, we have to put 1000 here. 1000 kgf is given, that is 1000 kilogram force. Okay. So this is the weight of the body. Mass is how much? 1000 kg. Put it here. You will get the answers which are given in book. They are correct. Okay. Is this clear to all? 18th question, make the required correction. Okay. Okay. So 21st question is clear. 21st question is clear. So when the man is running with the box, whatever work is being done by the man on the box, that is going to be stored as kinetic energy in the box. Understood? That's why work done is half mv square. Okay. And here, whatever work is being done, that will be stored as potential energy in the box. Okay. You have seen this potential energy doing some work in boxes also. Sometimes if it drops, it does work on the toe, on our foot, toe and all. Yes or no? That is work done. Okay. So 21st is clear to all. 22nd. Do the 22nd. Read the 22nd question. See here, to understand the chapter, numericals are must. Numericals are must. You get the how these are being applied. Okay. So bullet of mass 50 kg. Okay. So now onwards will be slow with numericals. Okay. A bullet of mass 50 kg is moving with a velocity of 500 meter per second. So mass we are having 5 gram. So we are having a bullet. It is moving with a velocity. Wait, 500, 50 gram it is. 50 gram. And velocity is 500 meter per second. Okay. So bullet of mass 50 gram is moving with a velocity of 500 meter per second. It penetrates 10 centimeter to a still target. So some target you can take, for example, wood you take, any target you take. Now it touches here and penetrates. And it has covered how much of the distance? 10 centimeters.
Sir, meaning of
Yes.
sir, the meaning of penetrate.
Penetrate, to enter. Okay. Like bullet
Okay, sir.
is. Okay. So the distance it covers. It is penetrating. The distance is covered after penetrating. See, after penetrating, what will happen? Friction force will be there. It will start to resist. So see here, as it enters, this body is going to resist. There will be friction force. Because of that, it will stop after some time. So there is a resistive force which makes the bullet to come to rest. Understood now? There is a resistive force which makes the bullet to come to rest after covering how much distance? 10 centimeters. Okay. Calculate the kinetic energy. We have to calculate the kinetic energy possessed by the bullet. Kinetic energy, how much of the kinetic energy is possessed by the bullet is having the, how much it is having? Kinetic energy, mass is given, velocity is given. Can you calculate? Kinetic energy, half
Yes, sir.
m square. This is in gram, this is meter per second. Same unit system you have to do. Okay. Calculate everyone. Calculate everyone. So 50 divided by 1000 it will be into velocity is 500 into 500. Okay, 3 zeros, 2 3 zeros. Okay, 125 divided by 2. 62 625. Okay, then 125. 62.5 6250. Are you getting this one?
Yes, sir.
6250 is the kinetic energy. So see how much of the energy body is having. This much of energy, 6250 joules of energy this bullet is having, is possessing. Okay, this bullet is having 6250 of joule of energy as kinetic energy. So now see, as it enters comes to rest, it means what is going to happen? Some force will try to stop this one. So this would, okay, 1 minute, target is there. So this target has to do how much of the work to stop the bullet? How much of the work the target has to do? This is the energy possessed by the bullet, kinetic energy. How much of the work this target has to do to stop the bullet? What does it mean to stop the bullet? It means its energy has to be made to
0.
it's at 0. You can see as well. It has to stop. It means velocity has to be 0. The bullet's velocity has to be 0. So what will be the kinetic energy as it has to be stopped? 0. Velocity is 0. Kinetic energy is 0. Okay. So this target has to do the work to make the energy of this bullet to 0. That means how much of the energy work he has to do? This much work he has to do
6,000.
on the bullet. This much of work this bullet has to do, this target has to do this much work only, and
Yes, sir.
it has to oppose. It means whatever force this target is going to apply, that will be in the opposite direction of the motion of the bullet. The bullet is coming in this direction. The target has to apply force in which direction to stop it? In this direction it has to apply. Yes or no? If truck is coming towards you, you
Yes,
to stop. You apply force in which direction? That direction. And after some time, truck
Opposite
stops.
direction.
Okay, super students. Opposite direction. So this is the what? This is the resistive force. The force applied by the target is the resistive force. It will resist the motion of the bullet. This you all have understood? Okay. Now, how much work if this is the force it has to apply, how much work the target has to do? This much. So work done by the target. Work done by target is how much? To stop the bullet, 6250 joules. Okay. And in formula, it will be how much? F resistive, this will be the resistive force into the displacement equal to 6250. Yes or no? This
Into
is
10.
fine. Into 10, where is 10?
Sir, distance is
The
10
displacement
centimeter.
10 centimeters.
Okay, displacement 10 centimeter, that we will convert. Okay, so it will be 0.1 meter. Okay, so F resistive, okay, into 0.1 equal to 6250. Okay, calculate the resistance force.
62500.
62500. Okay, divided by 0.1, it means
Newton.
into 0. Into, yes, Newton. Don't forget it. Okay.
Sir,
we
double
don't-
zero.
Yes, 00. It can be apples, it can be mangoes, anything. So we have to be very specific. That is, these are Newton. 62500 Newtons. Okay. This is clear. Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All the energy has to be made to 0. That is, we have to do the work opposite. We have to oppose the motion of the body. Okay. In the direction, we have to do the work equivalent to this much. Okay. So its energy will reduce to 0. Okay. Okay. 23rd. It's same like truck is coming towards you. You try to stop. All the kinetic energy of the truck will be made 0. It will stop. Okay. 23. Or you can try with train as well. Okay, don't try in real life. Okay, you can calculate how much force you have to apply to stop the train, calculate its velocity, its mass, and calculate the kinetic energy it is possessing. Then calculate how much force you have to stop within a particular distance. You can take 1 kilometer and calculate. As well, you can calculate the amount of force required while you fight with your siblings, with your sisters and brothers. Okay. Okay. 23rd. Do the 23rd question. Spring is compressed by a small trolley of mass 0.5 kg lying on a smooth horizontal surface. Okay. So we are having a trolley. Okay. It's bigger wheels we need. Okay. Spring it is having. Okay. Attached, and this trolley is movable. Okay. Small trolley of mass 0.5 kg. Lying on a smooth horizontal surface as shown in the adjacent. Okay. When the trolley is released. Okay. Spring is being compressed initially. Okay. It is being compressed. Now as we release the trolley, what will happen? It will move because it will try to regain its original shape. Understood this one? As it was compressed, it was as restoring force. Energy was stored in it. Now it will make the trolley to move in this direction. Okay. It is found it moves with a velocity of 2 meters per second. It is moving with this velocity. What potential energy did the spring possess when compressed? So when compressed, it possesses potential energy that we have to calculate. When the spring was compressed, it was having some potential energy. Which kind of potential energy? We have studied these all. Two kinds of potential energy are there.
Elastic
Elastic
potential.
Elastic potential energy.
Yeah.
Elastic potential energy. So energy will be stored, and when it was released, this energy was converted into which energy?
Kinetic
Kinetic
energy.
energy.
Kinetic energy. Always remember, potential energy can only be converted into kinetic energy. Okay, potential energy. Now this kinetic energy can convert into any other kind of energy. Yes or no? If I drop the pen, what happens? Initially it is having potential energy. Now it's kinetic energy, and when hit the ground, all the kinetic energy will be converted into what? For example, it doesn't bounce.
Sound
It just
energy.
hits. Sound and one more energy, heat energy. Yes or no?
Heat.
Sound
This
and
also
heat.
produces
Yes, sir.
heat, sir.
Yes, it hits, it will produce heat. So heat and sound energy also. Okay. As well, you can see, as you hit hammer, sound energy, as well you touch, you will feel some heat. Okay. Kinetic energy. Now this potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Okay. So we have to calculate this potential energy. How you can calculate?
So
Potential
we can
energy is
calculate
equal to
kinetic
kinetic
energy.
Okay, so we will calculate this kinetic energy. Okay, half mv square. And how this kinetic energy was stored earlier as the potential energy.
Potential energy.
This was stored as the potential energy in the spring. So whatever this kinetic energy, that is the potential energy was stored in the spring. This is clear. Okay, see here. One question you must go
Yes,
through in
sir.
example. You all have gone through the examples. Please go through the examples. And which was that question? Okay, page number 26, fourth example. Page number 26, fourth example, go through it. Okay, so conservation of energy we'll discuss in next period and we'll complete in that. And Monday onwards, we will be going through 8th chapter. Okay, so revise 8A, complete the numericals. We'll be discussing them in class. Okay, okay, all the terminal voltage
Okay, sir.
and okay, discuss. Okay, so fourth question, see it once. A force of 15 Newton is required to pull up a body of mass 2 kg. So this is important question. Many things will get cleared here. Okay, just see here. Okay, so for example, on a body, if 2 or more forces are acting, we calculate the net force and the direction, and then we can calculate the work done. Okay, or we can calculate separately, then we can minus or depending on the direction. Okay. Okay, so force of 15 Newton is required to pull up a body of mass 2 kg through a distance of 5 meters. So see here, Here it is being said that to pull the body up by a distance of how much? 5 meter. How much minimum force is required? How much minimum force is required? 15 Newton. It is given.
Newton.
Force required equal to 15 Newton in this direction. Okay. 15 Newton force is required to pull a body through a distance along an inclined plane, making an angle of 30 degree. It is making an angle of 30 degree. Okay. Now, with the horizontal as shown, okay, calculate the work done by the force in pulling the body. Read the question. Work done by the force. How much is work done by this force in pulling the body? How much is the work
Work
done
done
by
is
this?
equals to force into displacement.
Okay.
Force
What is the
into
direction? Same direction. So cos theta will be 1, cos 0, 1. So you can simply write 15 into 5. How much it is?
75
75
joule.
Joule. Okay. This is the work done by this force. Okay. Work done by this force. Okay. Now read the second part. The work done against the force of work done against the force
So
due to
second
gravity.
question you left.
Okay. Force due to gravity on the body. You have to calculate force due to gravity. Okay. Force due to gravity on the body. What is the force due to gravity on the body? Force will be in this
mg.
direction. Okay. I use different color this time. Force due to gravity will be in which direction? This direction. Okay. Okay. And for example, this force is in this direction. Okay. This will be mg. Force due to gravity. It will be how much? G we have to take 9.8. How much it will be?
2
Mass,
into 9.8.
mass was
2 kg.
2 kg. Okay. 2 into 9.8. It will be how much? 19.6
6
Newton. Okay. This is the force due to gravity acting on the body. Okay. This is clear. Now read the third part. The work done against the force due to gravity. Work done against the force due to gravity. It will be how much? Okay. Work done. Okay. 1 minute. Here. Few things here to think. Okay. Consider the body. Okay. Which direction force is acting? This direction. Work done against the force of gravity. It means we have to consider the force of gravity. Okay. Work done is in which direction? Okay. Work done no direction. Which direction displacement? This direction. Okay. It means we need the component of this either in this direction or this direction. Okay. If we take the component of this force in this direction, okay, if we take the component of this force in this direction, now if you multiply them, their magnitude you multiply, that will be the work done against the force of gravity or not? Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Okay, calculate this. Okay, so we are calculating the component, this direction we are taking. Okay, see it is like this. Angle is 30 degree. Okay, this is the mg force acting. Okay, we need in this direction. We need component in this direction. Okay, this is the straight line, this direction. We need component in this direction. Okay, so mg. Okay, in this direction we need the component. Okay, so what will be this component? This angle is 30 degree. Okay, this component it means. Okay, this is how much? 5 meter. Okay, we need this one. What will be the value of this one? Okay, components I have to explain again.
Sine.
1 minute. Sine. Okay, what is sine 30? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Let me explain it. Many haven't understood this one component thing. Okay. So see here, this is the inclined plane, 30 degrees. Forget about this one, for example. This is the mg. Okay. Now, and this is the direction. Okay. This is direction of displacement. It means we have to take this direction is one. This is this. This is the horizontal component along this line. Horizontal component. This is the normal component to the displacement. Yes or no? So
Yes,
normal
sir.
component
Yes,
is of
sir.
no use. This one, normal component is of no use. Why? It's perpendicular to. So work done by this component is how much? 0. If we divide this vector, that is this mg force, okay, into two components, it will be this and this. Horizontal, that is along the displacement of the body, and this is the vertical, 90 degree to the. So any work done by this component is 0. Okay, this is theta. Okay, 30 degree it is. So it will be mg cos 30 degree, and this will be mg sine 30 degree. Understood this one? You can say this one, you can bring it here. This will be here only. Yes or no? You can take opposite, and this is already given. Okay, mg force we are taking. Okay, this will be there. mg is this
Yes,
one.
sir.
This is mg. So this will be mg sine theta. This will be mg cos theta. So mg cos theta and the displacement, they are perpendicular to each other. So work done is 0 by the perpendicular component, by this normal component. But see here, this component, mg sine alpha, it is acting in which direction? This direction. This is the mg sine alpha constant, mg sine 30 degree. And displacement in which direction? This one? Yes or no?
Yes,
This
sir.
you have understood? Okay.
Yes.
Force. Okay. So this is the force. Okay. What is the work done? Force F into S cos theta. This is the work done. Force is how much? Mg sine 30. Mg sine 30. Okay. What is displacement? 5. Cos theta. How much is the angle between them? 180.
80.
Cos
Yes.
180. This will be how much? Minus. Work done by the force of gravity is how much? Minus mg sine 30. Yes or no? This is work done by the force of gravity. What is the question you're asking? Work done against the force of gravity. Against the force of gravity will be how much? Mg sine 30. This is work done by the force of gravity. Against how much we have done? Mg sine 30. Understood now? Against
Yes,
force of
sir.
gravity, how much we have done? Minus sign will be gone. Mg sine 30. Okay. Mg sine 30 is how much? Sine 30 is how much? Half. Okay. Okay, so it
95
comes
Yes.
into
out.
half.
Okay, that work done comes out to be 49 joule. 49 joule. This is the amount of work done against force of gravity. So for in the first case, we have calculated work done by this 15. Okay. In the second case, we have calculated work done against force of gravity. If you are taking this one, minus 30 sine 30 is the work done by the force of gravity. By the force of gravity. Against it means in this direction, we have to take its force against this one. Because what is being done in this direction? Okay, no direction there. Work is being done against force of gravity will be how much? Minus sign will be gone. Understood this one? And it comes out to 49. So why is there is a difference? Work done against force of gravity is only 49 joule, whereas required force was 15 newton. That is, work done here is 75 joule. Where the rest has gone to work done, rest work has
Frictional force.
Frictional
due
force to
to
overcome
friction,
frictional
due to
force.
frictional force. So see here, this amount of work done, 75 joule. Okay, from this 75 joule, 49 joule we have done work against force of gravity. Yes or no? From this 75 joule, 49 joules we have done work against force of gravity. Okay, remaining we have done, how much is the remaining? 75 minus 49.
Excuse.
Yes.
So we have to
26
join
joule.
next class also.
Okay, 1 minute only I'll take. Okay. Okay. So see here, 49 joules we have done work against the force of gravity. 29 joules, we have done work against the frictional force. That's why total how much is was required? 75 joule. So 75 joule, we have done, from 75 joule, we have done 49 against the force of gravity, and 26 joules we have done against the force of friction. Frictional force as well will be acting in this direction. Understood now? Have you understood this
Yes,
one?
sir.
This is very basic
Yes,
concept. It will help you a lot. Okay. In 11th class chapters are there over this. Okay. Okay. Thank you. My class as well started.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Sir?
So on Friday. Yes.
Sir, here work done, we are calculating as F into S cos theta into cos 180 against the force of gravity.
See here. See here. What we are doing. This is the force. Okay. What is the work done? F S cos theta. Its magnitude. Its magnitude. This is the magnitude of the force. Okay. This is the magnitude of the force. Okay. And this angle is how much? 180 degrees. This is between this force, this is the force. Component we have taken. This is the amount of gravitational force acting in this direction. Acting in this direction. So this pole we are putting as F.
Sir, I was asking that instead of cos 180, we can take cos 0 for calculating
0.
the work done against gravity.
Against
Then-
gravity we are taking, then it means force direction we are taking this one. Okay. Against gravity means simply F, then cos 0, it's 1, so no need of ISO. So mg sin 30 into 5. That will be against gravity. Just to explain you that this is in this direction, this is this direction. Okay, this is way how we solve. Okay.
Sir, so
Okay,
we
we'll explain it.
Okay.
We'll discuss it on Friday again. Okay, my class has started.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.